Hey there, welcome to my channel, it's me the Mind Injector. In this video we're talking about Apple's latest legal battle over its smartwatch technology. Recently, AliveCore, a California-based startup, announced that US President Joe Biden had decided not to veto the US International Trade Commission December ruling that could lead to an import ban on the Apple Watch Series 4 and later. But don't worry, it's unlikely that Apple's watch will be totally banned. However, AliveCore could walk away with a licensing agreement from Apple to use its patents in the Apple Watch. So what's the issue here? According to AliveCore, which has around 150 workers to Apple's 80,000 workers, it shared its ECG sensor technology with Apple in 2015 while building a business relationship. However, in 2018, Apple released the Apple Watch Series 4, which not only introduced an ECG sensor to the smartwatch, but also blocked outside heart monitoring apps. AliveCore said this forced it in 2019 to stop selling Cordia Band, an ECG band that the company announced for Apple Watches in 2016. AliveCore CEO Priya Abani said, "We come up with new technologies, and instead of the ecosystem letting us thrive and continue to build on top of the innovations we already have, Apple cuts us out up front, steals our technology, uses their platform power to scale it, and now is basically saying it's scaled so it can't be cut off." In December, the ITC ruled that Apple infringed on AliveCore's patent. However, no import ban is currently in effect because AliveCore is currently appealing the December ruling by the US Patent and Trademark Office, finding that 3 of the company's patents in question are invalid. At the same time, Apple is also battling Massimo over the Apple Watch. So what's next? With Apple and AliveCore seeking appeals, any mandates regarding the Apple Watch may not take effect for another 18 months. It's worth noting that in 2013, the ITC called for a ban on iPhones and iPads due to Apple infringing on Samsung patents. But then, US President Barack Obama vetoed the ban. Before then, no president had vetoed an ITC-issued product ban since 1987, so it was unlikely that Biden would veto December's decision, despite Apple's lobbying efforts. Overall, it's clear that Apple's legal battles over its smartwatch technology are far from over. This is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, like this video and leave a comment down below.